Thank you very much. So let us take how the string is allocated. Okay, let us take three methods are there. So number one, by using the character array. Number two, literal method. Number three, new keyword. By using the new keyword new. So let us take first one is the literal method. So string S1 is equal to Java. So that means S1 is the memory name, and inside the memory, what is the content? Java. Second method is the character. So this is character array. Character array is a collection of characters is called as a string. So that's why it is a. Now third one is by using the keyword. So converting the character, this is called a, by using the string. So this is the character array can be converted into string. And third one is a keyword. So this is called as a new keyword. So then you will print the three one, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So that's why you are creating the three methods. String can be created in three ways. Number one, by using the literal. Number two, a character array is there, then that should be assigned to certain value. And number three, direct by using the keyword. Okay, right. Already I have repeated several times. Once a string is created in an object and it is immutable, if the two variables having the same name, then it can be by using the pooled constant method, it can be checked whether it is object is created or if it is created. Suppose the second time is created, then what happened? Both are reference to the same memory location. Okay, but not create another memory location. Right? So simply to create a string, you can create an object. It is an object. Okay, with a difference. Suppose in the first one capital letters, in the second one small letter. Yes, it is a different. So that's what you can create it. Yeah, right. What are the different methods? Suppose you are creating a string. You are creating a string. So many methods. I already mentioned that package is a collection of classes. Class is a collection of methods and objects. Okay. So now there are different methods are there. So the first one, so please see this. I can explain a few and then you can understand. So I can explain a few. So let us take the first one is a character at a specific index. So I already mentioned that string is a one type of object and it is a collection of array. It is a collection of characters and it is a character array. And whenever you are describing an array, then you have the index, starting index is equal to 0 and ending index is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to length of the string. N is equal to length of the string. Length is equal to number of characters in a string is called as the length. Starting the index 0, ending with the n minus 1. But total is equal to n minus 1 plus 0, that is equal to n. Total n character starts from 0, ending with the n minus 1. This is the basic string. So now let us take what is the first method. You can write at CHEAR CHEAR. Okay. So string is there. Suppose S1 is the string name, S1 dot character yet and index. So you can give the some index, then it will give the character value. So this will I can show you. So let us take. Yeah. So this is the indication character yet method. So that's why I'm saying that class is contains a method. So class having attributes nothing but methods and some data types are also available. So that's one of the method is the character yet CHEAR yet that gives with a specific index what is the character should be available. Okay. So this is the inbuilt method. We are not supposed to change. This is the inbuilt method. Okay, inbuilt method. So let us take what is the signature? That is the use the string. What is the string? That is the string name S1 dot caret. So that's fine. So let us take. I can show you one example. So this is called as a what is the string name? This is the literal assignment. So Java point. Let us take what is the name of the ch is equal to name dot. So we are assigning a value ch. So what is the character? Name dot character. What is the name? String name. String name not char at 4. So 4 stands for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So that's why fifth letter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why you will get the answer T. So that means you are creating a one string object. Within the string, you want to find out a specific character in a specific index with the specific index. Suppose if the index is outside the length, then you will get some error. Let us take what is the error. I have the Java point is the 5 character. Let us assume Java, JAVA. So that means what is the length? 4. So start from 0 ending with 3. So suppose if I am giving the name dot caret to 7, then you will get some error. So that's why you will be very clear that the length of the string. So if the above string, then what can it can print? No, it will give some error. So that's why I will show you the second example. All right, this is called out of bound. Out of bound. Out of bound stands for greater than the length. So let us take Java point has a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's why 9. Okay, so if I'm giving the 10, you will get some error because it is out of bound. Okay, right. So next we're accessing first character. Suppose you want to find out the first character, you can give the index of 0, last character n minus 1. N is equal to length. So this is how can you use that str dot length. This is the string length. String length. Okay, I can show you next one. So let us take out print ln. Let's see what is the name of that. What is the name of the string str? So str dot character at 0. So this is what is I'm saying that this is a caret. Caret. So CHAR small and A capital. So that's why 0. 0 stands for first letter. So that's why what is the first letter? W. Next one, char str dot caret strength length str length minus 1. Str length, string length. So let us take what is the string length? This is the str length is equal to then str length minus 1. You can directly mention that str length minus 1. So then you will get the str length minus 1, that is called L. So then you will get the answer of L. So that is a very important thing. So this can be used in several ways. So that means you want to find out a specific character in a specific string by using the char at with the index value. So this is available in the string class of Java. So java.util.string. Okay, right. Next I want to discuss another method. The another method is the length. It is already get. So integer is a length is a integer. So that's why you want to find out the length of the string. You can use string name dot length. String name dot length. So let us take. I can show you. So this is the internal implementation you are not supposed to do. It is already available in the string class. Okay. So let us take. It is a int length. So let's take one example. So what I'm doing in length. So how to specify S1? Suppose string is there S1. So then you can use S1 dot length. Suppose this is called S2, S2 dot length. So that means you want to find out the length, then a string is allocated. This is called object. So object dot length. So that's why you will get here. Okay. Let us take here. I am creating the two strings. One is equal to str is equal to Java point. So then I am using the str.length. So then what will give? It will give the 10. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 it will give. But second str is equal to empty. Second str is equal to empty. That means nothing is there. Then you will get the length is equal to 0. Okay, right. Next one. So this is called as a integer length. Okay. Next, string format. Format. It is very important. Format. Format is nothing but to print. Format is nothing but to print. Already mentioned at the starting class that is the format. So input and output. Input is accessing the data from the user. Outputting is the system will give the, after processing, it will give the output. So that output may be a different format, whether the string, whether the float, whether the double, whether the integer, whether the empty space or tab. These are all called as a format. So that means a format is nothing but a print and okay, right. So what is the format? So it will specify a specific format. So let us take, yeah. Here you are getting the name. So let us take for the name is a string percentage yes. And this is the float number. So this is called percentage F. and this is called as a 32.1TF. That means after 32 you will get, it is a floating point, but after decimal it is a 12 decimals are there. So I repeat that string is nothing but a characters. Character are nothing but alpha, numerical and symbols. Alpha, alphabet, numerical and symbol. So that's why if you want to string, then you can use the yes. If you want to float number, percentage f, that is a this, then you will get the answer of print print ln. So this is called the sf1. So sf1 is equal to string format. So let us take sf1 string format and string format. Here what is the string format? It's a percentage s will give the string, and this is a percentage f will give the float value, and this is a 32.12. That means after decimal it will give the 12. So then you will get a, so this is called as the value is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 12. Okay, all right, so these are all of the specifiers. Okay, any type, character, integer, floating, and that's exponential form, floating, and g. Okay, these are all the different floating variables. Okay, so that's the best example. So percentage is 101, percentage s, percentage f, percentage x is a hexadecimal, percentage is a character. Okay, all right. So this is about the third one, static string. Okay, next to substring. Substring stands for a part of the string is called as a substring. A part of the string is called as a substring. So that means, suppose Java point is there. So Java is there, point is there. Suppose I want to point. So then what is the starting index and what is the ending index? So in the index can be specified what is the part. So there are two types are there. Number one. So starting index is the one information, and the second one is the, you can specify the starting index and you can specify null. So if you are specifying the null, then it can be displaced. So starting and ending, starting index should be considered, but ending index is not considered. It can print up to ending index -1 position. So it can print starting index considered, and it is not considered ending index. What is the ending index before that one? So that means ending index -1 position, up to that position it can be print. So you can observe clearly by checking the example. Okay, so let us take, this is called the substring. So what is the specific? Let us take, this is the internal implementation, and like this is called as a. So then what is the method? This is called as a substring. So string name dot substring. So let us take, what is the string name? S1 dot substring. So starting index is equal to 2. So that means index is always starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2. So that's why V is considered. And 4. So 2, 3, 4. So 4 is not considered before the ending index, it should be considered. So what is the 2? So 2 and 3 should be considered. Then you will get the answer VA. Let us take, suppose if you are not mentioned the starting index, then what is the method, string method? S1 dot substring, S1 dot substring, S1 dot length, S1 dot caret. So for each and every string dot the specific method, caret, next index, next one substring. Okay, this is the methods in the string point of view. So let us take, this is called as a, see that S1 is equal to Java type point. So here I am assigning the string by using the literal method. String S1 is equal to literal method. So let's one, the substring 0. Substring 0. So that means what is the index? 0. So that means there is no ending index. So that's why it can print everything. So let us take, this is called as a substring 5, 10. So what is the 5? So that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is equal to P. Okay, 5 is equal to P. But ending is the 10. So 10 is not available. So let us take 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9, but 10. You are returning the 10. So 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. So that's why up to this it can be find out point, POINT. Let us take 5, 15. Okay, substring 5, 15, starting from 5 ending is 15. So 15 minus 1, 14. So, but the length having only the 10 characters starting from 0 ending with the 9. But you are specifying that 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. So then it is not available, then you will get some error. You will get some error because length is 10, but you are specifying the 14. It is not possible. Okay? Fine. Right. Next is the uh, string substring. This is over. So integer beginning index and okay. Next. So next is the Boolean contains Boolean. So what is the Boolean? Suppose you have the string. In the string, your required string is substring is available or not. If it is available, it will give the true. If it is not available, it will give the false. So that's why this is called the Boolean contains. So let's check what happens. Yes, let us take. So what is the string name? So this is called what do you know about me? So name dot contains. This is called as a contains. So that's what is the syntax? This is called as a contains, whether your required string is available or not. So that's why you can use contain. So string dot contains. So let us take what is the string? This is the string. So what is the string name? So name. So name dot, you are saying name dot contain. What you require, do you know? So whether it is available or not. So please see that it is a case sensitive. So what you require is available in the given string, then it will give the Boolean value that is called the true. So let us take first condition is the true. Second condition about. So first it can check whether the case sensitive or not. Yes, case sensitive. If it is case is matching, each and every character is matching, then it will be getting out value. Okay, so now this is about. So about is available true. Next to hello, Hello, hello is not available. So then you will get the false. Similarly, let us take in the next example, it can shows. So let us take, this is the Java point. So this is the Java point. So first is the capital J, true. But next take, this is the Java, small j. So case sensitive. If it is not matching, then it will get the false value. So to find out whether you are getting string is contains or not in the main string. Okay. This is the small information about the Boolean. Yeah. Next is the okay. So Boolean character. Okay. String contain. That is, if the this is one equal, so that means if the two strings are equals or not, so then it will give some idea. String equals. So let us take, this is called Java point. So then you can get s1 dot equals s2 equals string name s1 dot equals s2. So that's why whether these two are equal, then true. If not, then false. Okay, right. Next is the Boolean is empty. So whether the given string is empty or not. Is empty. If it is empty, it will give the true. If not, it will give the false. So let us take S1 is equal to empty, S2 is equal to Java point. So what is the method? Is empty. Is empty. So let us take what is the string? S1 dot is empty. If it is empty, it will give the true. If it is not empty, then it will give false. Okay. Right. Next one. This is called as a string concat. This is called as a string concat. Concatenation means to adding the two strings. So just by using s1 dot string concat s2. So s1 is the first string, then concat s2. Then s2 is another string. So this is a string concat. So what is the purpose of a string? Let us take s1 is equal to Java string. S1 dot concat is immutable. This is the literal method. So then what is the output? Then Java string is immutable. So let us take s1 dot print ln s1, and here that s1 dot concat. So this is called s1.concat is immutable to assign explicitly. Okay, right. So this is called a Java string is immutable to assign. Right. Okay. So another method is there, that is using the plus. You can using the plus. So s1 plus s2. So plus is a string concatenate operator. Okay. Uh, Next one is the string replace. Okay, let us take this is called replace. Replace with the A is replaced with E. A is you can specify A is replaced with E. So wherever A is there, then you can replace with E. Okay, but you can understand that S1 object is not changes. So once you are checking that memory location, you will get the same S1 value. It is not changes. Okay, please be remembered. Object is string is a object which is immutable. Immutable. Okay, right. So let us take here a single word is changes. Here what happens is a single letter is changes, but here what happens a specific word is replaces. Is was. So HS, SH. Okay, you can change anything. Clear? Right. Okay, there are different methods are there. Okay, string to lowercase, string to uppercase. Okay, you will get some lowercase value should be changes to uppercase value should be changes to lowercase. Okay, so if you are studying one time, then you will get some, this is a trimming. Okay, trimming stands for cutting. So let us take, this is called as a hello string. It's from a Java point without a string. Okay, very good Java point. Okay, and the next one. Okay, these are all the different methods are there. Then you can just go and you can study. Then you can easily understand what is the string class. Okay, so this is the different string methods which are available in the string dot java dot string util dot string. Okay, right. Second class is the character class. So as in the syllabus point of view, stop the share. Okay, there is a syllabus point is there. So let's take, I can show you. This is our syllabus. So within the syllabus, what happened? This is the inbuilt class like a string. Just now we are discussing about that. So now I want to discuss about the character. Okay, this is called as a character. So now what happens? Let us check what happens. So just now we are discussing about the character. Similarly, it can explain about the string. Now I explained about the character. Okay, so these are all the different methods are there. Let us take, you already know that. So this is called as a char count. So character, I repeat, says that character is a alphanumericals, special symbols, and alphabets. Alphanumeric stands for alphabets plus numeric plus special symbols is each and everything should be considered as a character. So now first method is the, so let us take, this is also available in the character class. This is called as a character class. Okay, right. So normally character can be represented in terms of Unicode. Unicode, it is a 16-bit location. Okay, so this can be Unicode. So U stands for Unicode. Starting value is equal to 0002 FFFF. Okay, so already mentioned that this is the why you are using the Unicode. Okay, so first one, this is the character count. So that means what are the internal method about the character? So first is character count. That means a string is there. Within the string, how many characters are there? It will be give the count. Count. So let us take, this is the internal part. So example is there. So let us take obj is equal to 59, obj2 is equal to, this is the integer variable, and let us take, so character count of object1, character count of, so this is called character, and dot character count, character dot character count obj1. So it will give 1 and 2. So that's why it will give the 2 value. Okay. Uh, right. So right. Number of characters. Oh, right, right. Very, very good. Very good. Yeah, number. So let us take, here I want to say that, so one character contains uh, uh, how many bytes, how many bits are there? 16 bits. Starting value is equal to 0, 0, 0, ending value is equal to FFF. That means 65,535. So then within this, if the any value within the FF to 0, 0, 0, then it will use one character. So let us take 59 is within this range. So then it will give the character 1. Okay, so 2 characters. So that is what is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 15 lakhs 46,715. It is out of the range. So that means the length is equal to 2 characters. What is the length of the character? 4 bytes. That is the 16 bit. That is the 2 bytes. 2 bytes stands for 65,535. So what is this value? 15 lakh 46,700. So that is a double. So 16 plus 16, 32 bits. 32 bits means 2 power 32. So that's why it will occupy 2 bytes. This is the 2 character value. So now it will give the character. So let us take character count. How many characters are there? How many characters are there? That will give the character count. Okay, so this is a second example, 50. 50 means 1. Let us take 589, 1. Let us take 67,892. Okay, 1, 1, 2. So that means 1, 1, 2. So within 65,535, it is a 1 character. Above 65,535, this is the 2 characters. Okay, right. Okay, it's a 61, 78. This is the 2, right? This is about the character count. Next, sorry. Right. Next is the char value. Character value. What is the character value? Okay, see this. Suppose if I am giving a, then it gives the 65. Capital A, it will give 1 value. Small a, it will give another value. I am giving the 1, it will give another value. So that is value of the character will be given here. So let us take this is called an example. Suppose this is called a new character A, then you will get the character 1 dot char value.
Sir,
So what is that? Hello?
screen is not visible, sir.
Okay, Dana. Just I can share. Thank you for your cooperation, Nana. Can you please tell me what about now? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, visible, sir.
Okay, then. Okay, then. So I think I can explain in the previous. In the previous one, what happened? How many characters are? That is a character count. How many characters are available? But now it can show you what is the value of the character. Character count means number of characters. According to the given value, how many characters should be available in that will gives. So within the 65,535, 1 character. If the value is greater than 65,535, then it will give the 2 characters. Similarly, suppose if I am giving a character, then what is its value? What is its value? So let us take, suppose A is equal to 65. So A is equal to 65. Okay, it can return the A. Okay, I'm sorry. So it returns the character value now. Okay. So it is not thing. I can show another one. Another one. Yeah, this value. This I want to say that. What is this? Okay, just listen. Okay, and next this is called as a code point. So there are different things are there. Let us take this is the first program of the given method. This is the suppose this is called as a string group. So now I want to find out what is the fourth index is equal to 4. So then 0, 1, 2, 3. So fourth index. What is the, so here you can see the beautiful index. Code point at index. So let us take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is a empty space. Empty space equivalent to value is equal to 32. Empty space equivalent to value is equal to 32. Okay. Right. This is the code point. Next, let us take, this is called as a index 3. So let us take J, A, V, A, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is equal to A. So what is the equivalent value? So equivalent value is equal to 97. So within the specific index, what is its character value? That is called what is the Unicode. This is called what is the Unicode. So let us example, this is called as the ninth index. Let us take, this is called as a 9. So 9 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is equal to T. So T is a small or capital, small. So then its equivalent value will be 105. So its equivalent Unicode value should be displayed. Okay, right. So you can find that code point, compare. This is called as a compare. Okay, x and y is compared. If it is equal, then you will get some. So this is the different values. You can get some. If you are observing that, you can easily understand. So these are all the different character which is available in the string class. So which is available in the string class. So string class is there, character class is there, and next so many classes are there. So this is a just introduction to all of you. Okay. So if you just understand enough. Okay. Right. So this is about a small information about the character and the string class which are inbuilt. You can use the inbuilt process. So maximum in Java, it is better to use the inbuilt, but if you want to develop the programming skills, you can write yourself. Okay, right. So I think from the next class onwards, I want to discuss about the GUI. GUI, graphical representation. I want to use graphical representation that can be explained from tomorrow onwards. So now I want to leave this class. Okay. So thank you.